Welcome back to Blind Guy in the Kitchen. I'm Karl. Today we're making some quick and easy pancakes. I put in 3 different things, so I'm starting out with, you've got just some regular old pancake mix, but then I throw in some rolled oats, and this one go on the menu or on the shopping list because I empty it. It is oatmeal and quinoa because I want more fiber and I want more protein in these than just being sugar bombs. So I got those 3 mixed up in here. Bada boom, bada bing, they're in the bowl. Then walnuts, because why not? We want more protein. Over here we got flax seeds. Once again, more protein. And so just gonna throw, I don't know, we'll call it 2 tablespoons of those in there. By having everything in order, it just helps me know I've got everything set. I don't have to spend all my time looking around. Now we're gonna get some chia, get that omega-3, omega-6, more fiber. And we're going to need to put in more water than usual because of everything we've added, the chia, the oatmeal. So if it's your first time trying this, start out with what they recommend for water, but you're going to end up putting in extra. Then make my own pumpkin spice mix. Easy to do. Cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg. Get some of that in there to get some good flavor. And I'm going to save you from the noisy part, so I'll be back in just a minute after I've hooked this up, run it, and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right. We're all assembled. Time to crank it up and crank it up. You guys know I love these spatulas. They're shaped like spoons. They're really firm, but the edge has just enough flex that, man, I use these things every single day. I have a bunch of them. They come in a bunch of different colors. So if you don't like red, don't worry. I've seen orange, teal, green. I think there's a gray. I can't remember all the colors, but there's a link in the description if you want to try them out. They're so good. I actually even bought them for my mom. All right. So, I've got my cast iron pizza pan. I find it works really good for pancakes too. So, I already have it. Use it. I'm going to slap some butter on there so we can keep these pancakes from getting stuck. So, in the butter goes. Get that warmed up. Then I'll know how hot it is and I'll be able to add the pancakes and soon we'll be eating. All right, got the butter melted, griddle's hot, time to add the pancakes. Now, if you've got really low vision, just use a measuring cup and, make these. I can still do it by eye. If you wanted some cacao, if you wanted some chocolate chips, if you want it a little sweeter, or you want some banana in there, throw it in. I mean, this is about having fun. You can see they're a little thicker than your normal pancake. That's all right. That's the way they're supposed to be. These are a little healthier too, as in a lot healthier.
She moves like a map with no border. Always feel caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and she's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she
Time for the moment of truth.
keeps pulling.
Got some honey, got some maple syrup. Let's see how we did.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride. Lead
I approve.
don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you.